Alright, we have a wonderful bird watching opportunity here. I'm at the very top of this hill, and there's a gigantic bird flying around. Can't tell exactly what it is. Catch this on video. I'm sure this area is actually protected already. Oh, where did it go? It's a glorious bird. Oh, it's over there. Here it goes. Oh, it's coming right for us. Oh. Wow, that's a big bird. It's gonna do another round right towards us. He swoops down here and then he picks up some air. He's got a whole routine. Got a big gust of wind right here. He's taking advantage of it. He's working down a little lower. He's gonna try and post up in a tree over there. No, he's still cruising. Increasing his range. Now it's all the way over there. Smart bird.